And then she said,
Bang.
Sanibonani, dumelang, maselase. What are we doing today?
It's a big one. We are cooking together, dedicated to each other for the first time in front of the pot.
Not the first time, we did it before, baby.
Yeah, man, this time we had... Oh, yeah.
He's gonna get some of the things ready. We have some of the ingredients ready here, but I need to wash some dishes and he'll get others ready. What we need, baby, the pasta. Pasta na.
Are you okay? Like...
Pasta, nyama.
Pasta, inyama, otata, inyama.
Umthuthwa nyama mthoni uyithathe.
Oh.
Pasta, nyama. Nani futhi?
Flour.
Yeah, flour.
Spinach.
Even though
Milk.
he usually forgets milk is right there.
Oh.
He usually forgets. Now I'm like reversed.
I'm cooking. Today I'm cooking. Pasta. Nyama. Spinach.
Flour.
Flour.
Pasta, nyama, spinach, flour. Pasta, nyama, spinach, flour. Okay, guys, you're gonna wash the dishes with me. I'm just gonna tilt it this way so you can see me wash. We're gonna be preparing pasta and it's macaroni and chicken. So we're gonna make it like a creamy macaroni and chicken. So yeah, we have our pot that we're gonna use for our macaroni. So we're gonna make 2 cups of this macaroni.
Let me help you. Hold the cup.
Okay, thank you. Guys, I'm trying to be professional. Omunye uyangihleka.
Did you see she hit the pants? And then it ruined everything.
I didn't ruin
Do it again.
I put character. No, I'm
Do
gonna
it
put it.
again.
No,
Do it
character.
again.
I saw a video on TikTok where they were beating the chicken fillet to be flat. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna beat it with this. Then I'm going to spice it, guys. They need these spices, barbecue spice, and 6 gun. Whoever's gonna say, hey, I don't know how to cook just because I use 6 gun, will work or no. Right, so we got our butter. We're gonna use a little bit of that. This thing is expensive. And then we also add fish oil. Okay guys, so what is a meal without something to drink? So we have our setting over here. I don't know if you guys want to see. We're going to be mixing cranberry cordial. I don't know what to call it.
Bulgaria, gin.
I don't know what to call it. Gin margarita. Gin cocktail. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna just put some ice cubes in this. We're gonna blend this combination. This is the part I don't like because 2, 3, and 4. I don't know if I'm doing the right things, guys, but this is how I do it, and my man likes it, so. And then we're gonna put
6
of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3 4 5 6.
And then after that, I wanted to put wine, but yeah, yesterday it wasn't good. So after I put this, I put water.
When?
This is gonna be enough for me. Okay, but the ice is not even enough. Guys, that's what you must. Then we put it in the blender.
Wait.
Back to YouTube. Okay, guys, this is how it looks like. Just wait a little bit for it to. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. We are tired.
Yeah, we're tired.
Leave a like, subscribe, and you'll join us on the next one.
Bye.
And then she said,
Bye.